Hello and welcome to another episode of The Builder's Bench, where we break down common issues with today's automatic transmissions. I'm Alex Chrissy, editor of Transmission Digest. With me here is Rino Partipilo, my co-host from ATSG, our technical expert. How you doing, Rino?
Very good, Alex. Thanks for having me out again.
Yeah, of course. So you've got a story to share with us today from a shop that called ATSG with a Ford 10R80 that was barely moving in either forward or reverse.
Exactly right, Alex. Okay, so what happened was this vehicle comes into a shop and it was barely moving forward and reverse. So they decided to put a pressure gauge on there, and there was very little pressure on there. And most transmissions should run anywhere between, let's just say 70 and 90 PSIs. This one was actually in the low 30s. Okay, so it was very low. The shop decided to drop the pan on this thing to take a look at the filter to make sure that there was no cracks or any damage to it in any way. Okay. But as they were looking at the filter, they noticed this pin sticking out of the pump. Now, for those of you who might not have worked on one of these transmissions yet, yes, the transmission pump is actually inside the pan. Okay. And with that pin sticking out over there, it didn't look right. So the tech decided to remove the pump while the transmission was still inside the vehicle, because it will just come out. There's 3 bolts to pull it out, okay? Then he decided to open it up. And what he noticed when he opened it up, that the pin that was sticking out over here, as we see over here, is the pump slide pivot pin, okay? And now it kind of makes sense why this thing was not moving.
Why is that?
Well, that pivot pin keeps in place the slide. And with the slide not being in place, the slide cannot be held in the high volume position.
So are there any fixes besides going and fully replacing the pump?
Actually, Alex, yes, there is. Let's take a look at this slide over here. What we can see is what they can do is there is a shoulder that is supposed to hold in that pivot pin, and that shoulder gets actually worn out or pushed out or just weak, and the pin comes out and it walks out. Now, as long as there is nothing wrong with the rotor and with the slide, what we can actually do is we can actually tap the housing that is holding that pivot pin. Once we tap that pivot pin, or that housing that holds that pivot pin in, we end up putting a pipe plug inside there to keep the pin in place. And then we were able to reuse the old pump.
Well, thanks for sharing that story. Thanks so much to you for watching, and we will be back again soon for more transmission technical tips.